Want to do your Ronin taxes fast? Simply import your transactions securely into Koinly and let Koinly calculate your staking, your capital gains and losses, and more, accurately and easily. And before we jump in, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not tax, financial, or legal advice. Also, the examples I mentioned might not exactly match your situation. So as always, speak to a qualified professional if you're looking for tax advice. Hello, my name is Nelly. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your Ronin taxes. Ronin is a EVM blockchain specifically designed for gaming applications, aiming to provide developers with a scalable and efficient platform for building player-owned economies. But if you're making sweet gains with Ronin, you gotta pay taxes. So Koinly is your crypto tax calculator that can help you do your Ronin taxes fast. Now, in order for Koinly to calculate your Ronin tax liability, you simply need to import all your transactions into Koinly, which is super easy. So first step, as always, log into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can create one completely free and follow along until the very end. Once you've created one, sign into your Koinly account and head over to the wallets area where you're gonna click on add wallet. From here, we're gonna find Ronin, and there it is. So there are two notes we definitely want to make sure we're aware of before we go into the next step. The first one is that staking and unstaking transactions need to be tagged manually, so make sure you do that once your transactions have loaded in. Secondly, only the most recent 10,000 transactions can be imported. If you do have more than 10,000 in your wallet, then you will need CSV files. So this is quite a bit of transactions. It's probably a very small percentage of you that's actually gonna have over 10,000 transactions. But if that is you, do make sure to get your CSV files instead of just the public address. So what we're going to do is log into our Ronin wallet and find where our Ronin is stored. From there, we want to take the public key and find a way basically to copy and paste it into Koinly. So whether you want to send that to yourself in some way, you can do that. But once you have that copy and paste into Koinly, simply click import. Once all those transactions have loaded into Koinly, you can go to the transactions tab and just double check underneath the hood, make sure everything is sitting correctly with you. Like we said earlier, if you do have staking transactions, make sure those are tagged correctly. Okay, if you've traded on other exchanges and wallets, which you probably have, you're gonna wanna repeat this simple process and connect them all. And luckily, Koinly integrates with over 800 platforms. And if you ever need a hand, we upload new integration videos weekly. So now with all your transactions imported into Koinly, we are able to view all your crypto transactions to accurately calculate your capital gains, losses, and income from crypto. This also includes DeFis, airdrops, staking, etc. If you have done any staking or liquidity providing, then you may need to tag those transactions manually. And like I mentioned earlier, I will leave a link to our staking and liquidity videos down below and in the top right corner of this video. Okay, now you can head over to the Koinly reports page and you can see how your year stacks up with a free summary showing your crypto totals for the year. The summary is awesome, but to officially file your taxes, you're gonna need a lot more detail. So now for the best part. Koinly produces a stack of cryptocurrency tax reports that cover your year's activity in great detail. This includes calculations and totals that line up with how the taxman wants it. We support over 1 million investors around the world with reports like the IRS Schedule D and Form 8949, plus a report for TurboTax, Tax Act, the UK, Australia, Canada, France, and a complete tax report for just about everyone else. Simply buy a plan from Koinly and download your report. You can file your taxes yourself, or if you work with an accountant, you can share it. Or you can even invite them to your account to Koinly. Lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this report might be deductible. I will leave a bunch of resources down below if you need further assistance with our product. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below or on our forum section where our users and Koinly support team are ready to jump in.